Many doctors think moving to UK cost only 3 to 4 lakh rupees. Some other think it's 20 lakhs. So what's the truth? So today I'll show you every single expense from your English exam until you receive your first salary in UK. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how much money you need to keep aside before starting your UK journey. This video is for all obs and gynae planning to move to UK via MRCG pathway. First, let's discuss about the English exam. So that's a mandatory test for anyone planning to move to UK. You can either give IELTS Academic or OET. On an average, it costs around 32,000 to 40,000 rupees with a possible extra cost of preparation courses, books, reattempts. The realistic budget is roughly around 40 to 60,000 rupees. Although many doctors clear in one attempt, but it's always wise to budget for one possible repeat. Now coming to MRCOG exam, it has three parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. First two are MCQ based and the last part 3 is OSCE based. Part 1 cost around 80,000 rupees. Part 2, the exam cost around 1 lakh rupees, but for its preparation and question bank around 50,000. So total of 1 to 1.5 lakh in part 2. For part 3, keeping in mind the exam, hotel cost, preparation courses, visas, it roughly cost around 2 to 2.5 lakhs. So total MRCOG investment is approximately around 4 to 5 lakh rupees depending on the number of attempts and travel choices. For a detailed video on how much MRCOG costs, you can watch my YouTube video. Link is mentioned below. Now coming to GMC registration. There is a registration fees, certificate verification, good standing certificate, police verification and some other documents. So it costs roughly around 80,000 to 1.2 lakh rupees depending on documents and verification cost. Now coming to visa. Most NHS doctors apply under health and care worker visa, which is a type of skilled worker visa. So the current application fees if you're applying for up to 3 years is around £300 and if you're applying for more than 3 years, it's roughly around £650. Now in the biometric verification, they need your fingerprints and photograph. There is usually no separate mandatory biometric fees. You'll have to pay extra only if you choose premium VFS services, premium lounge, courier, document scanning, etc. Now there are priority services which are completely optional. They cost around 500 rupees for priority service. Then there is a TB test for doctors who are applying from India. So for a visa longer than 6 months, they usually need a TB certificate from a UK approved clinic. So cost in India is typically around 3,000 to 5,000 rupees. So you expect roughly 70,000 to 1.4 lakhs for the whole visa process. Now coming to the accommodation, roughly depending on the city, 1.5 to 2 lakhs. London being the most expensive, then Manchester and so on. So initial living cost, you will need money for food, transport, SIM, groceries, kitchen items, emergency expenses. So it roughly cost around 1,000 to 15,000 pounds, which will approximately cost you 1.2 to 1.8 lakh rupees. So this is the table showing you the total cost including IELTS exam or OET, whichever you give, MRCOG exam, GMC registration, the visa cost, the flight, accommodation and the initial living cost. So the total approximate amount is roughly around 9 to 13 lakh rupees. If everything goes smoothly and you clear exams without repeat, many doctors can complete the journey within this range. Multiple exam attempts or choosing more expensive accommodation can increase the overall cost. So is it worth it? My answer is yes, but only if you have a clear plan. Don't spend money just because everyone else is going. Understand the pathway. Know your long-term goals, budget carefully, then start your journey. If you found this budget breakdown helpful, like the video, subscribe and let me know in the comments where you are in your UK journey. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.